What if I told you that right now there's another version of you reading these exact words in a universe you will never see? Not science fiction, not fantasy. This is a real hypothesis taken seriously by some of the greatest physicists alive today. It's called the multiverse. For most of human history, we thought of the universe as everything that exists. One space, one timeline, one reality. But modern physics keeps hinting at something far stranger. Our universe might just be one bubble, floating in an ocean of countless others we can never touch. Let's start with the strangest version of all, quantum mechanics. At the smallest scales, particles do not behave the way objects do in our everyday world. They exist in multiple possible states at once, until the moment we measure them. Standard physics says that measurement collapses all those possibilities into one single outcome, but what if nothing actually collapses? What if every possible outcome simply happens, each in its own separate branching universe? This is called the many worlds interpretation. Every quantum event, every decision, every coin flip splits reality into new branches. In one branch, you are watching this video right now. In another branch, only moments away, you never clicked play at all. Trillions of these branches may be forming every single second, each one just as real as the one you are living in. Then there is a completely different idea, born from the study of the early universe, cosmic inflation. Scientists believe that a fraction of a second after the Big Bang, space expanded at an almost unimaginable speed. That single event explains why the universe looks so smooth and flat today. But here is the unsettling part. If inflation happened once, why would it ever completely stop? Many physicists now argue that inflation never truly ends everywhere. It keeps happening in some faraway regions, forever, endlessly creating new bubble universes, each with its own laws of physics, its own constants, maybe even its own version of time itself. Our entire universe could be just one bubble drifting in an infinite, eternally inflating foam. And then there is string theory, one of physics' boldest attempts to unite gravity with the quantum world. String theory does not work with just the 4 dimensions we experience. It requires 10, sometimes 11 dimensions to make the mathematics consistent. The extra dimensions, the theory suggests, are curled up impossibly small, hidden from anything we could ever detect directly. But here is the key detail. Those hidden dimensions could be folded in a staggering number of different shapes. Each unique shape could define a different universe, with different particles, different forces, perhaps even different chemistry entirely. Some estimates put the number of possible configurations at 10 to the 500th power. A number so large it makes the count of atoms in our universe look small by comparison. So, which version is correct? Here is the uncomfortable truth. We simply do not know, and we may never know. Because by definition, other universes, if they truly exist, could be permanently beyond our reach. No telescope built by human hands, no signal, no experiment could ever cross that boundary and confirm what lies on the other side. That is what separates the multiverse from ordinary scientific theories. It is not that we searched and found no evidence. It is that some versions of this idea are built in a way that makes evidence structurally impossible to obtain. That troubles many scientists who argue an idea that cannot be tested cannot truly be called science at all. Others respond that the mathematics leading us here is simply too consistent, too elegant to dismiss. Some researchers have even hunted for faint clues. They have studied the cosmic microwave background, the leftover glow from the Big Bang, searching for strange circular patterns that might be bruises left behind by ancient collisions with other bubble universes. So far, no confirmed bruise has ever been found, but the search itself shows how seriously some scientists take this idea and how far we are willing to look for proof of something we may never fully grasp. So is the multiverse real physics, quietly waiting to be confirmed by tools we have not yet invented? Or is it a beautiful mathematical ghost story, a mirror reflecting the limits of human imagination rather than the true structure of reality? Maybe the answer is not hiding out there among the stars at all. Maybe it is a question about us, about the boundaries of what any mind trapped inside a single universe could ever hope to know for certain. If mysteries like this keep you awake at night, Wondering what else might be out there? Go check out our very first video here on the cosmic horizon. It's about a black hole hiding right next door and how we finally found it. Link is right there. Trust me, you truly don't want to ever miss this video at all.